Hey, what's up, guys? Eisenheim here. Okay, so again, this is my old fork 0817 lane full with nuclear grade. So, so I'm just going to show you how can you make it hug the right line or right bias. So depending on the camera offset value that you put. So this one I put a with a centered camera. I put a value of 0.35. Okay, to make it hug the right line here, as you can see here. Okay. Be reminded that it on a flat surface. Okay, which I noticed on a flat surface, it will be like this. Okay, it's hugging. Okay, almost. So of course, as the lane width changes, it really depends on the lane width. So and also on the slope of the road. Okay, the slope of the road has more pull on the driving. Where your car is placed. Since this is an old code, so that's what I noticed. If the slope is to the left, it will pull the car to the left. So what I'm saying. Be reminded. Okay. So, but on a flat surface like this, as you can see, you get the hug. Okay. Um, what else? So now I'm gonna try to. So using my phone, I just did that. I just changed the value from 0.35 to 0.12 to give me a centered driving, and it will do a soft reset. Okay, as you can see here. So it will only take about a minute. Okay, uh, to have the value take into effect. Okay. Um, the reason why being I'm using my phone to SSH. So my phone is connected via hotspot above the C3. Since I don't code, so I'm pretty sure people can put a UI button on the C3 to make that work. Um, and and the Sunny Pilot, the newer version of Sunny Pilot do have the camera offset thing. Um, but for some reason, I don't know. It seems like it doesn't work whenever I try it. And also, I'm stuck with 0817 because I really love the 0817 with the nuclear grade model and with the laneful. Okay, so as I say, since I don't code, so for me this is the only way to do it, which is not bad. Most of the time I drive centered. So right now I changed it into centered driving, as you can see here. Okay. Yeah, most of the time I do drive like this. Okay. Only like if I'm gonna go on a like out of town, and I know I'm gonna have one segment or one like an hour long segment of a two-way highway. Because usually whenever I drive on a two-way highway, I really like to be like biased to the almost over the line to the right whenever I drive. Okay, that's how I drive. Okay, I don't want my car to be centered, even off centered to the right. I want it way to the right. Okay, that's the reason why um, I'm testing this one. Okay, and Sometimes, if I'm lazy, I just want to drive chill. I just stay on the right lane, the whole time. Okay, so that way I have ample of space to my left side. Okay, and nothing on my right side. Okay, so that's how it is. Um, and people might ask why, the newer model, it's it's based on human driving. The model, I know the newer model is based on human driving. If there's a big rig to the left, my car will go to the right. It will go to you know to to hug the bias to the right. But as I said, for me, I just love driving, the feeling of driving on rails, and and centered driving, or what have you, whatever placement I want. I just like that feeling. Okay, so just videos just to prove, okay, that um, you could do intentional bias with this version while driving. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to. You don't have to stop the car. All you have to do is just for a minute it will reset, it will soft reboot, and then for the values to take into effect. I don't know how to make the values to take into effect immediately without rebooting. Okay, that's the reason why I'm using my phone to SSH. I don't know, what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure there's a way to do it. And as I say, I don't want to beg fork maintainers. I don't want to beg Sunny because he's really busy to doing the newest stuff for Openpilot. You know what I'm saying? So, and then people move on because I'm using 0817, and people move on. Okay, so I'm trying to do my best, and with my capability, to get the best experience for my taste on my accord. Okay, that's the reason why. It's kind of having another phone or something. It's kind of clumsy, but hey, if it works, it works. Okay, uh, um, that's the reason. That's the reason why I'm posting this video, because I really really like my on rail center driving. Okay, again, what you call this? I treat my car I treat Openpilot as a glorified ADAS. Okay, so that way I don't get frustration. Okay, and then people asking me why not test the experimental and the navigation. For me, it's kind of like it's moot because, as I say, I have an Accord. It's a limited car, so it's for me. It's just why even bother? I mean, people. If, now, if you wanna test for comma, then go ahead. I don't want to stop you, but for me, it's like I just want to get the best experience, best chill driving for my car. And right now, treating Openpilot as a glorified ADAS is the only way to get the best chill driving without any frustration. Okay, guys. Again, this is Eisenheim. Please do subscribe and leave a like. And may you have a happy, safe testing.